everyone, and thank you for joining me here at Genesis11. This video is part of a series of educational videos about trading, and today's topic is going to be leverage trading. So I'm going to speak about leverage and margin and what is the idea behind it. You guys are welcome to grab a piece of paper and a pen, and I'm going to show you on the Genesis11 platform how we can use leverage to trade bigger amounts. So once you logged in to your Genesis11 platform, you can start trading. And one of the main ideas behind the Genesis11 platform is, of course, leverage trading. So the idea with leverage trading is you are trading on bigger amounts than your initial trade using margin. Let's take a quick look on the platform and see how this looks like. So once you logged into your Genesis11 platform, it looks like this. And now, let's say you want to open a Euro USD trade, which is the #1 asset on the Genesis11 platform, of course. Maybe there's more demand today for Bitcoin, but of course, Euro USD is one of the top currency pairs, if not the #1 currency pair. And let's say I want to buy Euro USD. So you go to the left side of the screen where it says buy or sell Euro USD. You can see it says here Euro USD. And all you got to do is, for example, click buy. And now you're going to be able to buy. So let's say I want to buy 1 unit, 1 lot of Euro USD, which is equivalent to 100,000 euros. Now, of course, you don't have to have 100,000 euros to open a 1 lot trade. You actually only need 1,000 euros. And that is because we have a leverage of 1 to 100 on the Genesis11 platform. Let's see how it looks like. Once you click buy, like I just did, there's a window that opens like this. And here under volume, I'm going to click 1. And when the volume is 1, that means I want to buy, in this case, 100,000 euros. And let's take a look what happens after I click buy. So I'm going to click buy. And so simple, the trade opens. And now you can see that my margin was 0 before the trade. And now my margin is 1,216. You can see that on the top side of the screen in the middle where I'm pointing at right now. This is the amount of money in dollars that I actually put on the trade to open that 1 lot of Euro USD. So actually, in order to open a trade worth 100,000 euros, I only need $1,216, which is exactly 1,000 euros. So to open a trade of 100,000 euros, you need 1,000 euros in margin. And now you're in a position to trade as if you have 100,000 euros. So for example, if the Euro USD goes up by 2%, you made 2,000 euros on the trade while just putting as margin 1,000 euros, which is of course equivalent to 1,216. Now, if you open the Genesis11 account with euros, then instead of seeing dollars here like I see them, you're going to see euros, and instead of seeing $1,216, you're only going to see 1,000 euros, which is the same thing. So folks, this is how we use leverage, and now movements in your USD or any other asset could generate potentially higher returns. So in the next session, we're also going to speak about exactly how to use leverage in specific trading. Thank you, everybody, and join us for more sessions in the future.